What's up, investors and traders? Welcome to yet another video. In today's video, guys, we're going to be discussing Muln, ticker symbol MULN. We're going to be talking about what to expect from this company in the upcoming week, whether we're going to have another massive rally like we did this week. And also, we're going to be talking about some things that are very important for you guys to understand regarding the company's fundamentals and whether or not it's actually true that the company could potentially go into bankruptcy, and whether or not, how much does this actually affect us traders. All right, guys, so without further ado, what I want you guys to do is to hit the thumbs up button if you guys want more and more Muln videos. And now let's get this video on Muln. Today, guys, brought to you by the Money Team, aka the Patrons, aka the Get Rich Together Gang. You guys can now join the community for as little as $5 a month. And I'm telling you guys, this is the only trader community you want to be a part of, because we trade the best and we leave the rest. And in fact, guys, in the month of February alone, our portfolio was up over 90%. With guess how many trades? With 4 trades, up over 90%. All right, guys, you guys not. And guess what? You take, that was without option contracts. Okay, so you take options and you apply to those 4 trades. All of a sudden, in 1 month, your portfolio was up over 900%. Just imagine that, 900% in 1 month, right? Come on, what are you waiting for? Okay, it also comes with an exclusive Discord community with a lot of like-minded investors and traders. And also, the program also comes with my invest alerts. All right, guys, these are the stocks that I'm actually investing in the long term. So you not only get the trade alerts, you also get the invest alerts, which is very crucial. All right, so do check it out, guys. The link is in the comment section. If you guys actually want to learn how I do this, do check out the more expensive tiers like the $20 version or the $30 version, where I actually walk you through step by step what is my technical analysis like, and also how do I figure out what is the next 10x penny stock, as I've done multiple times previously. All right, guys, so do check it out. The link is in the comment section. This video is also brought to you by Muln, but we'll talk later on that because they're giving you a free money. All right, but I'm saving that one for the end of this video, only for the people that watch. All right, only the people that watch get an opportunity to hear about that promotion. All right, anyways, so now let's get talking about Muln. Muln went on another yet parabolic run, guys. It was up like crazy, right? At the intraday trading, it was up over $3.20. However, it did close the day around the $2.90 range. All right, guys, so what does this mean for us? Well, unfortunately, it would have been a lot more bullish if it actually held the $3 level, right? Considering that we had a massive green week. So if it held over the $3 level, potentially on Monday it could also open above $3, and that $3 resistance wouldn't even be something that we need to worry about, right? And the resistance would either become support for us. Okay, so it not holding the $3 levels, not so bullish, but however, that is not so much of a big deal, right? Now, just a quick little technical analysis, right? Where are the resistances, where are the supports from these levels, and what to expect next week? Okay, so first of all, what should you expect next week? Personally, I think we might have yet another green Monday, right? But however, as the week closes in, right, closes into the ending of the week, I do believe that we're going to see more red, considering that we are also heading towards April 1st, when we're going to get a whole lot of data regarding labor, right? We're going to get the labor data, which could potentially shift the market, cause another massive scarce in the market, right? Considering that right now, guys, the market's looking very optimistic, right, as of right now. And I think one thing that people don't understand is that we're still in a bear market. All right, this is in the bottom. All right, I mean, this is literally not the bottom. Okay, I mean, the market kind of rebounded. Now, are we going to get back to the levels that we were at last week before the CPI data came out and before the FOMC meeting, rather? Probably, right? Probably in the upcoming months. I predict a whole lot more volatility headed towards us in the upcoming months. Okay, so do keep that in mind. Now, like I was saying, right, we are headed towards the catalyst which could shift the market once again, which is going to be the labor data on April 1st, and also on April 12th we have the CPI data again, right? And this is going to be the first CPI data which actually accounts for the rises in prices of the energy, right, of commodities. Okay, so that's something too important as well to recognize that, look, this CPI is going to be hot, okay, and it's going to come in super hot. And the Fed promised us that we are. And now here's the hindsight. Here's the good thing about it, is that the Federal Reserve told us that the CPI was going to be hot only for a while, right? They said that it was only going to be a little bit hot when it comes to the energy boost, right? The energy sector boost, and they actually planned for it to just be a one-time spike in the CPI, and then after that for it to just fade away. Okay, they said this. Jerome Powell said this. Right, he basically said that he expects the inflation coming in from energy sector to be transitory. All right. Now, however, if this is true, right, then we're gonna get a massive boost on this CPI reading, and then the next one is gonna be basically already gone, right? It's just gonna fade away all of a sudden, okay? So I think that's something that you guys need to understand as well. Now, going back to the support and resistance levels, we have clear resistance at $3.20, right? Considering that that is the new all-time high. Now, why do I say the new all-time high, right? Because obviously that is not the new time. That is not the all-time high of this stock, right? This is a stock that went upwards of $16 at one point, right? Not so long ago. Not even a year ago, this stock was sitting at $16. So now, why do I say that this is an all-time high? Well, that's because, guys, the stock that is trading right now is not the same Muln that was trading a year ago, right? Right now, the stock is moving on volatility, on momentum, and on short squeeze potential. Okay, it is not moving the same way it was previously, where it was just another EV company in the market. Okay, so I think there's something that you guys need to understand, that look, the chart, that $16 range doesn't necessarily matter so much when we're stuck still sub $5. Okay, so that's something. And then when it comes to other resistance, we have of course the $half levels at $3.50, and then we get massive resistance as well at $3.70. Now for support, right? Support. For moral support, do hit the thumbs up button, okay? Because it actually brings me a lot of joy making these videos when I see people liking them. All right, so thank you for the moral support. But going back to what I was saying regarding the support, so we have support first of all at $2.70, right? Hopefully it holds these levels on what do you call it? What's it called? What am I trying to say? On Monday, right? And in the upcoming week. Now we also do have support at $2.20, and we also have support at $2.10. Okay, so if it falls below $2.70, right, which it actually did close at an after hours at $2.80, right? So that's kind of, it's a little bit close to that support, but I feel like it will hold it, right? We'll see, right? If it falls below $2.70 and it breaks $2.50, then our best bet is going to be between $2.10 to $2.20, right? Now, once again, guys, one of the things that you guys need to understand as well, right, is that I think my good friend Zip Trader actually touched on this too, right, in his recent video regarding the company's fundamentals, right? And I think this is what I was talking about, where we need to have a discussion about this company. Look, this company is not looking like it's going to succeed in the long term. Okay, this company's fundamentals are not it. All right, if you're in at $16, if you got in at $15, if you got in at those levels, right, you should have been averaging down when the stock was at 50 cents. All right, the stock was at 50 cents. You should have been buying a whole lot, right? And when the stock is at around now these levels, you should have been taking profits. Okay, because I believe that this stock is never fundamentally, right, this stock isn't going to succeed, and from just a short squeeze standpoint, this stock doesn't have enough gas in its tank for it to go from the $3 levels that it's sitting at right now all the way upwards of $15 to $16 ever again. Okay, ever again. Now, why do I say that? Why do you say this company sucks fundamentally? Well, first of all, their head of R&D, right, I mean, Zip Trader, right, Zip Trader, he made a whole video on this. You guys should check him out. The whole freaking, their R&D is just a kid that just graduated from school, right? They're head of battery team, right? Now, of course, that doesn't mean it's a bad thing, but however, it does mean that he's inexperienced. Their freaking CEO was a musician or whatever, right? He worked in the music industry. His background in EV sector and EV freaking manufacturing is that he was a music manager for 27 years, right? And then when we go to the financials, we see that the last quarter alone, they spent $36 million, right? And right now, they have a total assets of around $45 million. So what does that mean? That gives them one more quarter, right, of lifetime. Okay, so, I mean, this isn't a company that is going to be around for a while, right? That's just the truth, right? Fundamentally, this company is not going to succeed. And I think that's something that you guys need to understand. But listen, does this matter to us? Does this matter to us traders? Not at all. Not at all. Because we are trying to get this stock to short squeeze. If you're someone who is investing in this company, right? Remember what I said, there's a differentiating between investing and trading, right? If you're someone that is investing in this company, give it up. Okay? This is not an investment. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but you have to be blind to think that this is a company that has massive growth potential, expansion in EV sector, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and I think this is what you get, right? When you get a sector that is booming, that is going crazy, you get a lot of people that just jump on train and they put a sticker on a car and they're like, look, EV. EVs are the future, man. And we're the future with the future. Or we're the future with EVs. Okay, so do keep that in mind, that this is not a proper investment. Now, of course, that is just my opinion, all right? So don't sue me, bro. But it's a pretty good opinion, if you ask me. But as a trader, on the other hand, it doesn't matter. None of this matters. Okay, so if you're trading this stock, don't even let that get into your head. Okay, don't listen to the negative press. Don't even listen to Zip when he says, oh yeah, the company's fundamentals are trash, this company's blah blah blah, right? Because we are here for the short squeeze, right? And I think this is so important, understanding what is your role, right? What is your timeline of holding this stock? Are you here to take the trade, or are you here holding the stock for the next 5 years? If you're holding this stock for the next 5 years, I'm praying for you. But if you're here to trade the stock, this is a stock with a lot of volatility. It has low float. It has a whole lot of retail interest. It is going to trade, and is going to trade like crazy. Now, personally, the way I like to take positions in these momentum stocks is that I like to wait. Okay, I like to wait till the dust settles, right? And people kind of get bored of it and they drop it and they stop playing with it, right? And we go through that phase where it has the massive boom, the massive crash, right? And it goes through that slow bleeding phase, and then, my friends, that's when I pull the trigger, right? That's when I pull the trigger like a patient lion, all right, that I am. Okay, that's when I attack the prey, all right? When no one else is looking and when no one else expects it, all right? And then, because we know how this works, right? The stock dies down, it bleeds down, and then we get another catalyst for the company, maybe another big headline, whatever. And then all of a sudden, the wheels start turning and the stock gets going and going and going all over again. Okay, so do keep that in mind, right? And that's personally how I will be trading Muln right now. If you guys want to know exactly at what prices I'm getting in and everything, once again, do check out the Patreon. And with that being said, guys, this video is brought to you by Muln. All right, here's the free money thing I was talking about. This video is brought to you by Muln. They're giving you away 6 free stocks when you deposit $100. When you make an account, deposit $100. Ta-da! You made 6 free stocks. It's that simple. That's it. And then you can just sell the stocks right after and then take your money out. I have no idea how they make money from this, but this is a legitimate offer. You make an account, deposit $100. You don't have to buy any stocks. You don't have to do anything. You don't even have to spend $100. You just put it in, and then they give you 6 free stocks and 1 guaranteed NEO share. That's it, man. Do check it out. The link is in the comment section and the description. It's literally like a free money glitch. That's what it's like. All right, with that being said, guys, that's my take on where Muln is headed next week. If you guys found value in this video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and also drop a comment down below. What is your price target for Muln by the end of next week? Okay, by the end of next week. All right, not some crazy thing like, oh, Muln 2036 or whatever. Nope. What is your price target for Muln by the end of next week? And I'm going to be giving you a shout out to someone who's actually right about the end of next week, Friday, closing price. What is your price target? Thank you for watching, guys. Happy investing, money talk, aka Trader.